beauties, I know hair loss and hair fall can be devastating. However, you're not powerless. There are many things you can do. Here's the top 5 natural ingredients for long, thick, and beautiful hair growth. Start seeing incredible results in 3 to 6 months. In this video, you will also get a free recipe that's suitable for all hair types. Number 1 is shikakai. Why it's great. Shikakai is a natural cleanser loaded with antioxidants, vitamins C, A, D, E, and K, promoting faster hair growth, reducing dandruff, and improving scalp health. One educational tip: it's traditionally used in Ayurvedic hair care. It's gentle enough for curly hair and helps maintain the hair's natural oils while strengthening and lengthening it over time. Number 2 is aloe vera. Why it's great. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp, promotes healthy hair growth, and acts as a conditioner to make hair smooth and shiny. Number 1 educational tip: it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the scalp and reduce dandruff, making it ideal for curly and all hair types. Number 3 rosemary oil. Rosemary oil stimulates hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp, strengthens hair follicles, and prevents premature graying. One educational tip: research shows that rosemary oil is just as effective as minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment, but without harsh side effects, making it ideal for those seeking natural remedies. Number 4 is fenugreek seeds, also known as methi in India. Fenugreek seeds are high in protein and nicotinic acid, which help strengthen the hair shaft, reduce thinning, and promote regrowth of hair from dormant follicles. One huge educational tip: it's excellent for all hair types as it hydrates the scalp, reduces dandruff, and prevents hair loss, promoting thicker and longer hair. Number 5 is castor oil. Yes! Why it's great. Castor oil, known for its ability to promote thick hair growth, castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, which increase blood circulation to the scalp and nourish hair follicles. One beneficial and educational tip: this thick, nutrient-rich oil locks in moisture, making it perfect for curly and dry hair, while also adding volume and shine. As promised, here's a unique hair mask recipe for faster hair growth, for all hair types. Ingredients: half a cup of aloe vera gel, fresh or store-bought. 1 tablespoon of cold-pressed castor oil. 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, soaked overnight, then blended into a paste. 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. 1 tablespoon of shikakai powder. 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, optional for extra hydration. Directions: prep fenugreek paste. Soak the fenugreek seeds overnight in water. The next day, blend the seeds into a smooth paste. Mix ingredients. In a bowl, combine the aloe vera gel, castor oil, shikakai powder, and fenugreek paste. Stir well to form a smooth mixture. Add 10 drops of rosemary essential oil and mix thoroughly. Coconut milk, optional if you have very dry or curly hair. Add a tablespoon of coconut milk for extra hydration. Application: section your hair and apply the mixture directly to the scalp and massage it gently for about 5 to 10 minutes to stimulate blood circulation. After massaging, work the mixture through the length of your hair, paying special attention to the ends. Leave on. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the mask on for 1 to 2 hours. For deeper penetration, you can sit under a hooded hair dryer. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and follow up with a mild, sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. How to best use this mask. For best results, use this mask 1 to 2 times per week for at least 3 months. Make sure to stay consistent, as natural ingredients take time to show results, but they are incredibly nourishing and free of harsh chemicals. And there you have it, beauties. Subscribe to the channel for more great videos, like and comment. But you can also share it with a friend or family. Stay beautiful and just keep loving your curls.